卡住了，再试试，还是不行。Time circuits are still glitching. Let's clear this grime and see. Okay, power stabilizing, numbers are updating. 又漏气了，这破车！坚持住，我来修。陷进泥里了，慢慢来。This rear section is the worst. Let's tackle these rusted vents first. Scrubbing away years of grime, the exhaust is next. Almost there, this DeLorean will shine again. V 音牌太脏了，很难看清，擦掉一些锈迹。好了，现在能看到 V 音号了。腐蚀情况比想象的严重，这里得彻底清理，换新件。悬架系统也需要检查。This panel needs perfect alignment for the flux capacitor. Time for the period-accurate tools. Easy now, bring it in slow. That's it, right there. Reverse slowly, keep it straight. A little more, watch the edge. Stop, perfect alignment. Easy now, bring her down. Touchdown. Suspension's holding. Let's get these straps secured. Careful, don't want to scratch it more. There, that's better. Okay, all strapped down tight. We're ready to move. All right, let's roll out. There it goes. Safe travels, old friend. Okay, all strapped down tight. We're ready to move. All right, let's roll out. There it goes. Safe travels, old friend. Wow, she's seen better days. Let's get you inside. This rust is extensive. I'll need to start with chemical treatments. Time circuits look intact. Good.
准备好了，起吊，吊点固定，起升。准备好了，起吊，吊点固定，起升。
小心点，慢慢放。好了，停，放到底。位置正好。检查一下底盘。 All right, let's get this open. Ugh, come on, you stubborn thing. There we go. Finally. These wire total mess, rust everywhere. Let me check this connection. This could be the problem. These wire total mess, rust everywhere. Let me check this connection. This could be the problem. Okay, let's get this flux capacitor out. Gently does it, almost free. There we go, fully extracted. All right, let's see what we're working with. There we go, the engine bay. Look at this rust, decades of grime. The time circuits are surprisingly intact. Engine rust, it's everywhere on this DeLorean. Look at these corroded parts, they're fused. Engine rust, it's everywhere on this DeLorean. Look at these corroded parts, they're fused. The oil residue here is really thick. This whole engine is extremely rusted and dirty. Let me check this section. It's caked in grime. 看这个悬挂臂已经锈得不成样子了，必须得好好清理，不然会影响性能。你看这腐蚀已经深入金属了，得抓紧处理。看这个悬挂臂已经锈得不成样子了，必须得好好清理，不然会影响性能。你看这腐蚀已经深入金属了，得抓紧处理。This brake caliper is completely seized. Look at all this rust. Ugh, it's really, come on. There we go. It's starting to give. This brake caliper is completely seized. Look at all this rust. Ugh, it's really, come on. There we go. It's starting to give. It's in rough shape, but the core is solid. This rust is deep, but it can be saved. Time to bring it back to life. Slow and steady, just like we planned. Perfect. She rolls like a dream. Almost there, easy now. Perfect stop. Brake system is solid. Time circuits are live, calibrating to the target date. Flux capacitor is stable. We're ready.引擎状态良好，车身完美如新，时间电路已校准。Here she is, fully restored and ready. The flux capacitor is pulsing with power. Every modification is precise. She's perfect. A true hero, back from the future. Just a final tweak to the flux capacitor connection. There we go. The Mr. Fusion is purring like a kitten. This beauty is ready to make history. Flux capacitor alignment complete. Power levels are stable. There we go. The DeLorean is ready for temporal displacement. Almost there. Just one more connection. Yes! The flux capacitor is glowing! Every panel gleams, time circuits are synced. The flux capacitor housing is secure, ready for the next adventure. Just buffing the exhaust, it's perfect now. The rear is spotless, ready to shine.引擎状态良好，车身完美如新，时间电路已校准。